Oh, the name of the song is called I've Got a Pain in My Sawdust. Sorry, why didn't you take this? Thank you. The name of the song is I've Got a Pain in My Sawdust. Oh, thank you. I think I've got it now. This is called I've Got a Pain in My Sawdust. A little bisque doll and a little rag doll and a dolly imported from France were sitting one day on the shelf of the store with a doll that could wind up and dance. When all of a sudden the shopkeeper heard a scream that rang out through the store. And this was the plaint of the little bisque doll that made such an awful uproar. I've got a pain in my sawdust, that's what's the matter with me. Something is wrong with my little inside, I'm just as sick as can be. Don't let me faint, someone get me a fan, someone else run for the medicine man. Everyone hurry as fast as you can, I've got a pain in my sawdust. They took her away in a hospital van, and the whole town was filled with the blues. For everyone thought it was quite an odd thing, and the papers all printed the news. The surgeons looked wise, and they all shook their heads, and asked her just where she was sick. I think it's a pendy sawdust, she exclaimed, and won't you please do something quick? I've got a pain in my sawdust, that's what's the matter with me. Something is wrong with my little inside, I'm just as sick as can be. Don't let me faint, someone get me a fan, someone else run for the medicine man. Everyone hurry as fast as you can, I've got a pain in my sawdust. Oh, sad was the day for the little bisque doll, for they cut all her stitches away, and looked for the place of the terrible ache. 'Twas a delicate task, they all say, for none of the surgeons had ever before performed on a dolly's inside. They tried to restuff her, but didn't know how, and this was her wail as she died. I've got a pain in my sawdust, that's what's the matter with me. Why, something is wrong with my little inside, I'm just as sick as can be. Don't let me faint, someone get me a fan, someone else run for the medicine man. Everyone hurry as fast as you can. Dun 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 dun. She had a pain in her sawdust.